So what number is 70% of 600? So we can see the word of is next to 600, and the percent sign is next to the 70. So what we don't know is the part, because the part is always next to the is. 70 is also next to the word is, however, it has that percent sign, so we know that that's the percent. So now we're going to set up our proportion. Our part, we don't know. We know our whole amount, so our whole amount is 600. Our percent is 70, and that's out of 100, because remember, percent means out of 100. So now we're going to cross multiply. So we have P equals 100. 100P equals 70 times 600, and 70 times 600 is 42,000. Then I draw my line. I need to get P by itself. So we divide by 100, so those cancel. What I do to one side, I must do to the other. So I get P equals 42,000 divided by 100 is 420. So that is my part. For the next one, we have 28 is, this is my part, 35%, so this is my percent. And then of what number? This is my whole. So I have my part, 28, over my whole, I don't know. So we're going to use a variable there, equals 35 over 100. I cross multiply, and I get 2,800. 35 times W is 35W. Draw my line. I divide by 35 on both sides. And I get 80 equals W. So my whole is 80.